Welcome to Zarzar's Hair. You are welcome. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel everyone. I'm so excited about today's video. I am going to be doing a review on the Iseehair Princess Luxury Hair Collection. Yes. We're going to open it together to see all the goodies inside. This is my first ever review for them, so let's get right into it. So this is how it comes. Very pretty already. And this, guys, this is it. We're going to go through everything inside. I'm going to try to give you guys a clear view. So we have the HD wig cap. This is perfect when you're doing the ball cap method. So this is one inside. This is the wig. We'll get to that last. We have a nice headband. Love the color. We have this. We have the lashes, guys. We have the lashes. And finally, we have the bonnet. And it says princess on it. So let's put this on and see. On top of my... Okay. Let's get into the wig, right? I already have a wig cap on. Okay, guys. I'm gonna try and do an up close for you guys to see. Sorry about that. This is it. So it has this to tighten it. You could take it out and then you could tighten it back as tight as you want so it doesn't move when you put it on. I love this particular unit because you could wear it as a bangs, however you like it. So I'll probably fluff mine up a little bit more, right, before we put it on. So this is it. And it has the combs, one on this side and one on this side. And then of course, this is really good. And then it has this. So we're going to hook it together. And now I'm going to go ahead and put it on. The thing about this wig is that you could wear it dry, you could wear it wet. So you could, this is the band, but there's also a way to wear it that the band will not show. First, let's do with the band showing, okay? Let's style it to the way that the band in the front is going to show. Okay, this is how I would style it. But when I'm wearing a headband wig, I'm trying to protect my edges. I am not trying to put edge control on it because I want to use less gel as possible. So this is how I would wear it. So some days on this side and other days on this side. So it has like a full look. Right now I'm going to show you guys a second way that I would wear this without the band showing. So I would start by opening up the band in the back, opening up this band, and now I am going to fold this band right here in the front. You want to take your time so it doesn't look too folded. So let's get into this. I'm then going to push up the comb. I want to show you guys. I want to push the comb up, pull the wig. Now that we're done folding up the band, right, we want to push it up now to our forehead, not all the way, just a little bit after your hairline. And then if I was to wear this look, obviously I would cut it to make the bangs a little shorter, and the same thing The next thing I'm going to do is to make the hair wet. So with a little water, we're going to do this side. I honestly, hold on. I forgot to close back the band. I honestly love I like the puffy look, but we are going to do just half and half, right? Let's wet the side. You can also use mousse, but sometimes I feel like mousse dries it out a little bit, right? This, and then this is this, right? You have like the curls going on, and of course, cutting right here. So this is one as well. What do you guys think? So we have this side, you could wear it a little bit more, and then we have this side. I will cut it as well. Let's say you wanted to wear the first look, but without the band showing as well. This is also another way you could wear it. And this time around, we could flip this over on this side. Just play around with it. I will probably not cut it, honestly, because I would want to wear so many looks with it. So yeah, so with the first look, we could totally do this, right? This is another way without the bangs showing. You could wear it like this. This is another way. You could wear it dry. You could just wet it a little bit. And this is it. So you could wear as many looks from this particular style as possible. So guys, let me know what you think about this brand. Have you gotten any unit from them before? What do you think? Let me know. Rate this unit as well. And I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.